love. So today we're going to do a Boxycharm unboxing. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a $21 a month beauty subscription. I was going to do another one of those Boxycharm versus Glossy Box videos, but it hasn't arrived. I do have my Tribe Beauty Box here, but they're not the same price point, so I don't feel like it's the best comparison. So I'm just going to do them separately this time. But we are just going to jump into this Boxycharm. I'm going to show you what we got this time, what I think, if Boxycharm is worth it. And as always, there is a Boxycharm affiliate link down below if you would like to join Boxycharm and let them know that I sent you. No pressure, but it's there if you want it. All right, we're going to jump in. Before we do, please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. Let's do this. Okay, so the theme of this month's box is Afterglow. It always has a little list of all the products and the price points, which I love, so I can tell you exactly what we're getting. So the first thing is an item I know well. I actually really like this mascara, so I'm stoked to have a full size. They sent a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which you guys, this is crazy. This is a popular item, a popular brand. Like, that's crazy that it's in this box. So this guy retails for $24. It's more than the cost of the box right here. I'm sure you guys have seen this before. It's got a really nice brush. It's not my favorite mascara in the world, but it's definitely a really good one. I mostly just can't justify the price point, so I'm excited to try it again. I just love the packaging too, so this is really exciting. The next thing, we got another item from Pretty Vulgar. I believe we've gotten multiple items from Pretty Vulgar in Boxycharm before, and I've liked all of them, so I'm excited to try this one. It is a highlighter. Shimmering Swan highlighter. Maybe that's the kind, and then Glow Up is the actual, excuse me, color. I don't know, but it looks like this. I think it's gonna work for me. I am super fair. I'm sure I can always lighten it. It looks kind of peachy pinky. Ooh, I might use it more as like a blush topper. Can you see it right there? That's really pretty. It's not as intense as I normally go. Maybe we should try and wet it. I'm gonna spritz my brush. I feel like you don't know a highlighter's true potential until you do this. Ooh, right there. So this is it applied damp, and then this is dry. They're not actually too different, so that's nice that you don't have to really worry about dampening it if you don't want to. Pretty. This is really pretty. Someone was just asking me that they really wanted, I think it was a peachy pink highlighter. Perfect. Okay, this next one, I have been really wanting to try this primer, but I just can't justify the price right now, so I haven't purchased it yet. I've heard such good things. This is the Touch in Sol No Pore Blim primer. So it's a pore filling primer. I've got decent pores on the sides of my face right here, so anything I can do to smooth them out. I have been using the Revolution pore filling primer, and I really like it, and it has made a difference, so I do think that this is something that I will like. I'm excited. It's a full size. What does this retail for? It's got to be, oh, 18? That doesn't seem that bad. For some reason I thought this was so much more. I think I just equate anything at Sephora as being like over $20 at least. But 18, that's not bad. I am excited to try this guy. Top secret for perfect makeup. What's nice is it doesn't feel too thick at all. It's got kind of a floral scent. Yes, excited for this. The next item is from Pharmacy, and it's Clean Bee. This is the Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. I've been using the little pot cleanser from them that we got in one of our last Boxycharms, and I really like it. So I'm excited to try this. I'm always looking for a new cleanser because my favorite one was the Glam Glow Thirsty Cleanse, I think, and they don't make that anymore. So I'm excited to try anything. This retails for $22, so it is a little bit pricey. But again, the cost of the box right there, almost every single item in here. Oh, I didn't even tell you how much the Pretty Vulgar highlighter is. $32, you guys, $32. I didn't even tell you that, $32. Soothe and hydrate your skin while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. So it's the Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser, so it's good for sensitive skin. I don't have terribly sensitive skin, but I also don't have like the toughest skin. That makes sense. More than one way. So anyway, I'm excited to try this. Let me sniff it maybe. Oh, it smells good. It does smell like, I think, like eucalyptus. I do smell the honey. It has ingredients like coconut, sugar, amino acids, and a powerful botanical blend of turmeric, chamomile, aloe, licorice root. Wait, we have one more item. I feel like this brand is always in beauty boxes, especially Boxycharm. I haven't really used their lipsticks. I probably should. What? Oh! That's cool. Okay, I love that I was gonna be like, I don't know, another one of these, but look how cute this is. It's got a little lip primer in the bottom. Okay, that just went up like 10 cool points for me. Trestique, I think, Prime and Glazed Lip Crayon. This retails for $25. The color, ooh, she's pretty. I need to do a look where I don't wear a nude. I'm sorry that all I ever wear are nudes, but I love dramatic eye makeup, so I wear nudes almost every day. This is what that looks like. I think it'd be a pretty color, so I'm excited to try this. I like that it's shaped a little different. I feel like that's going to really make it easier to line your lip a little bit, like whoop, 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 whoop. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so that's the last thing. Now we're going to add up the cost of the box. So the mascara is $24, the highlighter is $32, the primer is $18, the cleanser is $22, and the lipstick is $25. Retail value of the box is $121, and then of course if you minus the $21 cost of the box, you're getting $100 exactly extra value. So that's crazy. I feel like this is such a great box this month. I feel like probably 8 times out of 10, I'm like really pleased. There's always at least one item in the Boxycharm that I'm really excited about, but honestly, all of it? I mean, I'm probably least excited about the lip color just because I'm such a creature of habit, but I do think that's really cool. There's a primer inside, but I'm excited about this primer. It's a good mascara. I'm always down for a new highlight, and I like that it's a little bit different. I don't have a lot that are in this kind of goldy pinky shade. I probably do, but I'm telling myself I don't. Anyway, so I'm really excited about this Boxycharm. Let me know down below if you guys got this month, what you think. I think this is a really good one. I'm really excited about this. These are some of the most exciting products I think we've gotten in here. I know I said a lot, but I feel like they just keep amping it up. And the fact that there's multiple, like 3 of these products, maybe more, I don't know. This might be carried at Sephora. I don't know. I haven't been on Sephora. I lost my standing as a Rouge member, so I haven't been ordering near as much because I'm on a budget right now. But the fact that there are multiple products in here that you can find at Sephora is crazy. How cool is that to get that in a beauty box for 21 bucks a month? Crazy. All right, so that is everything. I am going to go now, but I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it if you could because it does help me out so much. And please subscribe if you have not already. I love you guys.